Hello guys, this video is about how to install Dwarpaal stainless steel lock. Okay, assume that it has a door. Actually this is demo door, we don't have the current door to install. So make sure first we need to add the mortise into the door. In this way the cable should on top. Okay, and make sure it fitted properly into the door. Okay, now add the screws. Use the rail. Once it is ready, we need to add the cylinder, common cylinder, and install the screw which will deny the cylinder to come out of the door. Now it is perfect. Now look for the spindles. And also back one more spindle and the long spindle. Perfect. Spindle should go on back side, which will hold the back part of the lock. And now use the springs this way, keep it inside, and one more string to the back part of the lock. Perfect. Now try to fix these cables together. And make sure the spindle should latch into the hole of the spring. Up now. You can see it is latched properly into the door now. And do the same way. First try to attach the cables together of the back part of the lock. See, it is making noise because we added batteries already into the lock. And now I have to do the same thing. Now you can see, the latch is coming out, the dead bolt. Perfect. Now try to add the long screw and make sure the hole is visible. And now try the screw. That's it. Do one thing also, the bottom screw. Make sure both are tight. Perfect. And now add the mortise plate. wear the battery cap pack. It won't work. You need to program the lock, which is already programmed, which can help you. I can also help you on the programming the lock, but it is already programmed to TT Hotel. Now once it is programmed, you can unlock the lock by entering the code. Unlocked, you can see. And also you can try to unlock the door by the metal key. And also you can have one more option to do as RFID card. It is like key 4, but you can also use RFID card. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.